Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about some things that I do online to earn extra money and gift cards to buy some of the things that I like so that I don't go over budget with my spending. Okay, I absolutely love this Happy Planner cover. It was on sale for $24.99, I believe it was. So what I did, I cashed in my rewards from Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app that you can put on your phone, and what you do, you scan your grocery receipts, and if you have certain items on there, then you get points, and you can cash those points in for virtual gift cards, virtual credit cards, debit cards. So I had a $10 credit. And then I also do Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a survey site. You can earn points from doing surveys, daily tasks, watching videos. So I combined my Fetch Rewards with my Swagbucks, and that was a total of $25. So I went ahead and bought this, and I believe I was out of pocket after tax and shipping $7 and some change. So for this cover, it was definitely worth it. My favorite survey site that I use is Earning Station. Earning Station is just like Swagbucks. You can do surveys, daily tasks, and watch videos to earn points. Okay, now with Earning Station, I don't always have time to do the surveys, but I make sure that I get the daily tasks done. My last reward for Earning Station was gift cards. My 2 Amazon gift cards for a total of $50. Now, you don't have to get Amazon gift cards. You can get PayPal credit. You can get Walmart gift cards. Usually I do PayPal credit. Sometimes I do Walmart gift cards, but I know if I do PayPal and if I do Walmart, I'm going to spend it on either a bill or something we need around the house. But this time around, I wanted to get something specifically for myself because I usually don't spend a whole lot of money on myself. So selfishly, that was kind of the way I knew I'd spend it on myself. So with these 2 gift cards, I was able to buy me a new planner desk from Amazon. It was $56 on sale, and I also got a cute little desk organizer where I can put my pens, my scissors, and just any little thing that I will need. It should be in sometime this week, so after I get it all set up, I'll do another video on that. But with Earning Station, the easiest way to earn points from them is to make sure you do your daily task. If you do your daily task for so many days in a row, you get to spin the wheel and you earn extra things like money or gift cards by spinning the wheel. You can also get a certain amount of money added to the money you already have. So if you sign up for Earning Station, be sure to do your daily goals each day so you don't miss out on those extra points. Okay, there's some other saving apps that I do. I also do My Points. My Points is really easy to get surveys. That is one of the easiest sites that I have come across where I can get surveys. They also do PayPal. They do Walmart gift cards, GameStop gift cards, and sometimes when I cash out with My Points, I like to get the GameStop gift cards because every now and then we take the kids to GameStop for a treat, and they like to get different games. Okay, another one that I use is Ibotta. Ibotta is one of those grocery receipts things where you click the things that you bought at the grocery store, upload your receipts, and you earn cash like that, and you cash out with PayPal with Ibotta. And I've been doing Ibotta for a while now. Sometimes I forget to upload my receipt, but I have cashed out before with PayPal, and I believe it's either $20 or $25. You cash out and get your PayPal. Okay, another game app that I put on my phone is called Berry Dice. Now, Berry Dice is really new to me. I have not cashed out yet. I am almost at the amount where I can cash out for either a $10 gift card. And again, I'll probably do a $10 Amazon gift card for that because I feel like Amazon gift cards are a little bit easier to use. I also do Shopkicks. That is an app that is with Walmart. And what you do, you open the Shopkicks app up, and every now and then you get points for walking in the door. It's not every day, but it's every now and then. And you go into the store and you open up the app, and there are different items that you can scan. You find those items, you scan those items, and you earn points with those. I am just, I think, a little bit over 1,000 points away from getting another $25 reward with Shopkicks. And what you do when you get the reward, it's in your account and you open it up, and then there's like an amount and a barcode, and you take it to the register, and then the cashier will scan it, and that's how you get your money for that. There's also another app that I like to use, and it's called Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog is another one of those apps that you upload your receipts from the stores. I don't do a whole lot with it, but I do know you can cash in at $5, and it's a really good app. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you.